What's up, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel, Ordinary E, and we're continuing with the laptop giveaway. And today we are going to pick the winner who I'm going to gift this laptop to. Hopefully the winner doesn't live too far, because as you know, I still don't earn any money from YouTube or anything, so it'd be coming out of my pocket to send this somewhere. Pretty heavy but pretty small. Unfortunately, I still haven't managed to find a keyboard. I really didn't want to give this away with a broken keyboard. What I'll do, honestly, I'll just throw in a keyboard. So we'll throw in a keyboard, and then you can use the laptop. What I really want to do is find out what this laptop can do, to be honest. Like, can it game? Yeah, but can it game though? What I really do like is the DVD mechanism. It's really good on this laptop. You get a couple of USB ports. I still don't know, it's some sort of memory card, I guess, or some sort of card reader. I think that was for a camera, that USB type looking port, Ethernet, so you can hook up to the internet. Yeah, and I'll do a copy of the disc, the Windows Professional disc, and also did manage to get a 8.5 gigabyte DVD CD, so I can put Windows 11 on it. I might do Windows 11 on here as well. Yeah, so I'm going to power this on. We're going to check out the specs. I don't know what the specs are still, because we didn't look at that. Also some sort of memory stick. Okay, you can put a memory card down the bottom there as well. But yeah, we'll check out the specs, and then we're going to throw a game in here. And we know it's not going to play the modern A-list AAA games, so we'll pick a game that I have around, like these types of the old game kind of things that I have. I got Dungeons Siege, possibly would have been from that era, and I have Half-Life 2. So these are a couple of games that we could try, probably from around the same time this laptop was around. So we'll try that today. What do you want me to do first? Do that, or do you want me to pick the winner? Decisions. Let's see what this laptop can do. Alright guys, I've spent the last 2 to 3 hours just trying to make another copy of that Windows disk, but I can't do that. I can't back up a copy or make a restore disk off Windows. I then created a Windows 10 ISO, that won't load onto it, and yeah, I tried to create a restore point. So unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to give you a disc that will back up your machine. So if it goes wrong, it goes wrong. And that's that. Let's see if it games. And then after that, I'm going to pick a winner. So I did find a keyboard, so you will be able to use this machine. I've cleaned it up. Yeah, let's see if we can play a game on it. We'll try Half-Life 2, because the recommendations are Windows 2000. Oh, that's another thing, guys. So this apparently is Windows XP information. And it tells you that it has Windows XP Professional version 2002. So 2002, guys, 20 years old. Vintage. Service Pack 2, registered to Ordinary E. Probably reload the Windows and then get rid of that. Computer, Intel R. It's a Pentium 4 CPU with 2.8 gigahertz, which is quite good. Mine's 3 gigahertz, so this ain't too far off. And it only has 512 megabytes of RAM though, so that's probably its downfall. But everything else seems very snappy on it for an old machine like this. So pretty good. So yeah, let's see if it can game. Guys, so couldn't get Half-Life to start. Wouldn't read the disk for some reason. Commandos 2 has started downloading, so we'll check out Commandos 2, and I might just throw that game in as well. Alright guys, while that's downloading, let's pick a winner. So how this works is I just search this pick a winner YouTube, and this one here. Now what it does is it picks a winner from your comments. So it takes you to this page here. So I'll show you. Click that. Oh no, wrong one. This one here. Click that. This is the one I've seen other people use, and it takes you to this page here. Now I need to go to my YouTube channel. So this is my YouTube channel, and I need to go to the video here. So this was the video that had the comments on. So I just stop that. Now I pick this link and I take it over to here. I paste it in here and I fetch the winner. Choose a filter. Anything goes. Include replies, allow duplicates, select a filter, include replies. Does that matter? Continue. Pick a winner. Loaded for comment. Alright, pick a winner. And there's your winner. Gori Mahasawari number 8. You are the winner of this laptop. So all you got to do now, if that's you, is hit me up on my Instagram. And my Instagram is on my channel. Oh, here it is. Instagram.com/ordinarye_ possibly. Anyway, you click that and it will take you to my channel, and you see my channel here, and then just message me so that we can keep it private, to keep your details off the internet. I'm going to obviously need your address so I can send this to you, and that's basically it. So congratulations, you're the winner of a broken laptop, but I'm giving you a keyboard and a game, and there you go. So hit me up on Instagram and we'll sort it out from there. Alright guys, so there you go. Congratulations to that person. Hit me up on Instagram and we'll go from there. I hope you don't live far so it doesn't cost me a lot of money. Anyway, this is what you're getting. Let's see if this game has been installed. This game, by the way, now I've got to insert, it's got 3 discs. So disc 1, disc 2 now it wants, and there's disc 3 in there. Oh guys, this is a real pain. I'm having to swap around discs and it won't let me play the game.
Summer 1940. Incapable of resisting the overwhelming advance of the German blitzkrieg, Poland, Norway, Denmark.
All ready, sir. Going. All ready, sir.
Okay, there we have it, guys. So, laptop, keyboard, so you can use the laptop because the keyboard's broken. Sorry, I couldn't fix it. Couldn't find a keyboard online. Probably is one. Power supply is all yours. So, Gori Misahari, I hope I said that right. Number 8, hit me up on Instagram. Your picture's got to match. You got to prove to me it's you, and I will be sending this along to you. Now, obviously, I still have the PC. If you're in the UK, comment below where you're from. I'm going to pick a winner for that as soon as I find a suitable winner for who I can gift this to in the UK, because it's too big to send and it's too expensive. I found out it's like £600. I can't send it abroad, but I can give it away in the UK, and we'll check it out. Once I find someone suitable, we'll check out what that can do, just like we did here. This is fine. This is perfectly fine, other than the keyboard. And then on the next episode, we're going to make a start on the other laptop. Again, big shout out to Gori. Hit me up on Instagram and we'll figure out how we're going to get this to you. And I hope you don't live far and it's not going to cost me an arm and a leg. But yeah, all you had to do, guys, was literally subscribe and comment. That's all they did. Only 5 people entered. That's fine, hopefully. And then the more people I get and the more, you know, the bigger that this becomes, the bigger and better the stuff will be. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.